Welcome back everyone. So in this training video, I'm gonna let you know that how you can import the data from your external data sources and build the knowledge graph. So importing and connecting with the external data source is super easy. So you need to click here on the import section. So you can see here that I have already connected with one of my PostgreSQL instances. So let's connect with new PostgreSQL instance. So you have variety of different options to connect the external data sources. You have PostgreSQL, MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle, Snowflakes, and CSV file here. So let me click this, and once you click on PostgreSQL, this screen will appear, and over here you just need to specify the name of your data source. So in my case, it is my demo data source. It could be any name you want. And over here, you just need to specify the server where your PostgreSQL instance is deployed. So in my case, it is deployed on Azure. So I mentioned it here. I will leave the default port as it is, and my database is PostgreSQL, and my schema is admins, and my username is TP user, and let me type the password here. Okay, so now you just need to click next, and your instance is now verifying your connection, and it will be connected in few minutes. Now it given me the error, and the mistake which I have done here, I didn't put the database name correctly. And now let's try to connect it again. So once you are successfully connected with your database instance, then this screen will appear in front of you, from where you can verify that how many models you have. And now you just click the confirm button, and your connection has been added successfully, and you can create the graph model from here. So once you will click here, then you have all the graph models. So you need to generate the graph from the schema. So once you click on that, then you have all the tables available here. And however you would like to build the graph, build the relationship between each other, then you can build your graph and relations very easily from here. So building the relationship with your existing models, it is super easy. Let me zoom in here. So if you have created, relations between the tables, then that those relations will show you here out of the box. But if you would like to explicitly define the relation between your different nodes, then you just need to drag and drop it, and you will have the relation between these two nodes. So it depends upon that what the logic you are building. It depends upon that how enrich you data you have. You can build a very healthy knowledge graph at the end. So knowledge graph is incredibly versatile and can apply across many domains to improve the decision making, data integration, search and discovery. It depends that what data you are looking for and how you are going to build the relation. So let me give you a couple of use cases which I have covered, and those use cases added a significant value to the business. So one is the healthcare and biomedical research, where I just helped and linked the symptoms, diseases, treatments, drugs, and clinical trials, and that helped the researcher find potential drug interaction and uncover hidden relationship between genes and the diseases. The other business case which I have covered, that was for insurance company, where I just managed the fraud detection and risk management, where I build the connections between accounts, devices, and locations in order to minimize the fraudulent activities. But it depends upon that what the business you are going to cover and how you are going to build the knowledge graph for better research and for better analysis. So that's it from this video. So I hope that you understood a very simple step, that how you can connect with your external data sources to build the knowledge graph. Thank you very much for watching.